In this video, we are going to see how we can clear up the Claude AI memory. That is the things that Claude knows about you or remembers about you. It can be the automatic memory that it picks up from your chat and conversation style, or you might have saved some permanent memory into Claude. Here's how you can completely clear the Claude AI memory so you can start fresh. What you do is, from the main interface of the desktop, in the application, we click on the bottom right hand corner where you see your profile icon. Click on that and head over to the settings. Once we are in the settings, we will click on capabilities on the left, and from here, as you can see, generate memory from chat history is toggled on. So this will allow Claude to remember relevant text from your chats. This setting controls memory for both chats and projects. So we want to toggle this off, but let's say we only want to manage or clear the Claude memory that we have saved permanently. So you do this by clicking on Start Import, and you just mention some of the things in the permanent memory of Claude. So for example, I'm using Claude from today, whatever. You will just mention it in the permanent memory and click on Add to Memory. And you can see that not only this information, I have mentioned my work context like my name and my channel name and all of the other stuff about myself. So it will update it in the main memory page. Whenever you click on Start Import, you can import some documents as well, and you can mention it manually as well. So we click on View and manage that memory. So if you want to add the memory or add something else, you click on this pencil icon, or otherwise if you want to delete it altogether, you click on Manage Edits from here, and you can delete it one by one, what you want and what you don't want Claude to remember. And if you don't want to generate the memory from chat history or remember anything from the past, you can toggle this off. Click on Pause the memory, so it will remember the existing memory but won't memorize the future ones. But if you want to completely reset it, we will click on Reset Memory and click on Reset to confirm. And that is how you can clear the complete memory of Claude AI. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.